How's it going, you guys? Today we're doing a pretty simple mod on the E36. If you have an older BMW, you know the visibility at night is terrible with OEM headlights and running just your standard bulbs in there. So these are some upgraded LED ones, but they have some really cool things that they can do. I don't like the way that your typical LED lights look on older cars. I think they can look really out of place, and these bulbs here can take care of a few things that make it look a lot better in my opinion. So these bulbs really are just a straight up replacement for the stock ones that you have. That's what I have right here. It's sunset right now, so I'm going to give it a little bit longer, and then that way I can give you a before and after so you can see the difference that these aftermarket ones make against the stock ones.
So installation on these is pretty simple.
Got to pop the hood.
And then taking out your old bulbs is super quick. So you just reach in here, turn it counterclockwise, comes right out. Then there's just a little tab here. You pull that up, pull on the light, and it should come right out.
And then your replacement light looks like this. These are really nice quality, as you can see. This one's a little bit different. It does have a module here because these are LEDs and have a couple tricks up their sleeves. But really, it's the same thing. You just plug this in to the connector that you pulled your bulb out of. And one of the nice things about this is it has this little tab on the end there. So if you want to mount this somewhere so it's not rattling around, you can do that either with a screw or maybe a zip tie. And when you're pulling this out, take note of there's 3 different tabs on here. 2 thicker ones right here, and then 1 skinnier one down there. Take note of where they are so you can orient the tabs on this one the same way. All right, I got it in there. I would also recommend grabbing a screwdriver and pushing this in a little bit further. The collar with the tabs on it spins independently of the rest of the light, so it can be tough to get a full grab there. And if you give it just a little nudge there, now it's really secure, unlike my light. And when you're doing this, make sure you have your lights turned off in the car. Once I'd done that, took 2 seconds. Let me put the other side on and we can see how it looks. Here's what the stock lights look like. Here are the different lights. So this is the whitest one, super bright. This one's sort of in between white and yellow on the temp. This is the yellow. And then the 4th one is the flashing one. And one other thing that I noticed is I'm getting a low beam failure warning on my check control module here, which isn't the end of the world, but just something to note. And if you're curious where I ended up tucking that harness, I found a spot that makes it not too obvious. Like from right here, you can't even see it, but it is right back there. I just zip tied it to this wiring harness right there. So it's been about a week now since I've had these lights installed on the M3. So the big question is, are they staying on there? Yes, they will be staying on there. The visibility at night is so much better, and I like being able to choose if I want to do a bright white and in between, or even a yellow, which is a nice touch of color. I also want to give a shout out to Boslla. Thank you for sending this out so I could test them on my E36. Love the way they look, and they're staying on there. And they are also kind enough to offer my viewers a discount. I'll have a link in the description of this video if you guys want to pick these up. This is the chameleon bulb. So as you can see here, these are the different settings that you can use on it. And I also really like that you don't need to use like an app or something for this. It's integrated right into your switch. Because at the end of the day, I'm not looking for some crazy RGB lights. I just wanted something that was a little more practical, and this was perfect.